U.S. stock market's under significant amount of pressure right now as Meta, which used to be Facebook, which is experiencing its largest one-day drop in the stock's history, released earnings after the close yesterday and dropped the futures markets after the cash close. Rates are a little higher this morning, especially in Germany and Italy, and that's pushing U.S. yields higher, which is also hitting equities. As I speak to you right now, the NASDAQ is down about 2.58%, the S&P down about 1.43%, the Russell down 105%, and the Dow down 0.86%, but they're coming off the bottom as I speak to you. Now, on those U.S. yields, the 2-year is now 3 basis points higher than it was at yesterday's close. The 5-year 6 basis point higher. The 10-year 5 basis point higher. As a matter of fact, the 7-year is 1 basis point higher than yesterday's settlement for the 10-year. And the 30-year is 6 basis point higher. And the curve is steeping a little as I speak to you right now. Now, on the good side of things, U.S. PMI was revised higher, but construction spending missed in the U.S., and that came in at a slightly negative number. Now, the central bank decisions change the path of rates, again, especially in Germany and Italy. The ECB is taking a different path than the Bank of England and the Fed, for that matter. The Bank of England raised rates by 25 basis points, first back-to-back rate hikes since 2004. 4 of those policymakers actually voted for a 50 basis point rate hike. So a little bit split, 5-4 at the Bank of England. They're also going to continue on the path with their asset purchase program of not reinvesting the assets that mature. So that's a little bit of shrinkage of their balance sheet. Now, the ECB is actually leaving rates the same. They kind of doubled down on the transitory rhetoric. They're going to end their pandemic emergency purchase program, the PEP purchase program, at the end of March, and they're boosting their asset purchase program to kind of speed up the end of that program as well. But they did say in the Q&A they are not going to raise rates until they're finished with their asset purchase program. So definitely taking a different path than the other major central banks. Now, looking ahead today, earnings after the close, we've got Amazon, Ford, Activision, Snap, along with about 71 other companies. Tomorrow, Bristol Myers Squibb, Regeneron, Royal Caribbean Cruises, along with 18 other companies. Now, in terms of data, tomorrow, EU retail sales, Canadian unemployment data, and U.S. non-farm payrolls. That's the big one. JP Morgan actually dropped their estimate this week from plus 250 to negative 250,000 jobs. Median's about 150,000 jobs.